What are you doing, Jack?
I'm trying to get over here.
That's Squidward. You walk through, but I got it strapped down, so you got to go under the strap. You want to go under the strap? All right. See, I got him strapped, but I just brought him home. That's Trumpkin.
Okay.
Trumpkin the pumpkin.
He's a beautiful pumpkin.
Yes, he is. Here we go. That's Chris Kent. Chris Kent grew the watermelon.
So what? He wants us to have it?
He wanted us to have it so the kids could have it for Alexandria Foundation fundraiser. Wasn't that nice?
Yeah.
But we got to send him back the seeds.
We have a bigger pumpkin. The pumpkins are bigger than that.
They are?
Yeah.
You mean the ones we used to grow?
Yeah, those two in the back.
Yeah.
Which one's that number?
That one's 1,474 pounds.
Which one's back there number?
Squidward's 1,704 pounds.
So he's more than that one?
This one here is smaller. Squidward's more. Squidward's bigger.
Yes, Squidward's bigger than this. He's how many is 2 pounds?
298.
298. That's only a little bit.
That's almost like 300 pounds. All right, buddy.
What's that?
These are the raffle tickets for the Alexandria raffle. That's how many tickets we've sold so far. Look in there. That's how many we sold.
So, people came here?
No, I took it to an orchard, Spicer's Orchard. But I set it out here today in case somebody wants to stop and see it today because cars drive by here. And I thought, well, I'll open it up in case they want to see it. All right, buddy, tell everybody come see the pumpkins
Come see the pumpkins next year
and help send the kid to camp.
and help send the kid to camp.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.